Hello and welcome to Ghost Outdoors here once again, and it is windy and ever so slightly wet and rainy. I was planning on going out today. It is Sunday the 17th of December 2023. So yeah, I mean, it was fine yesterday. Was going to do some recording yesterday, but had some stuff. I just had to go to a B&Q and get some. See if I can find one of those covers for the tap hole in my sink. I could not find one. Might have to either look elsewhere or look online. I'm sure Amazon has the stuff I need. Anyway, so I would go off if it weren't so bloody windy. Jeez. I mean, the rain's not that bad really. It's just almighty wind. Oh yeah. I don't know if you can hear that. Someone's alarm's going off. You probably can't hear it. Yeah. I don't know why, but I've been cleaning the flat a lot past week. Like, I did all the dishes, which I think I should have done ages ago. And doing the bedroom. Just need to come out and get some a little bit of fresh air. As you do. I don't know why with the accent. That really needs a good trimming. Jeez. So just cleaning the bedroom, tidying up. Because I did get one of those gift cards, all for one or something. It's got 50 quid on, so I'm going to go Tuesday to Crown Decorators. I'll actually pick up some wall and ceiling paint to actually finish the flat. I know it's been a long time coming, but I'm pretty much sick and tired of having the lounge half painted and the spare bedroom not painted. Spare bedroom / office. I really do need to get some gaming videos sorted on my phone, because ever since the computers died, well, to be fair, I haven't done much in the way of gaming really past few months, despite long before the computer went kaput. Anyway, I will hopefully get a new computer, or at least a laptop from Cash Converters, maybe sometime in the new year, January. Probably not January, maybe February or March time. So you're gonna have to deal with the phone. Though the fact I'm recording stuff in 4K, maybe I should stick to the phone for a while longer. And maybe in the future, once I get a better phone, I'll see about getting this particular phone rooted, because the 4K stuff has a 10-minute limit per reel, as they say. It's quite annoying. I can't do like a good walk around of a particular place and in one shot, in one go, I have to stop and hit the record button again. Yeah. So yeah, it's quite annoying. I wonder if actually routing the phone would actually remove that 10-minute limit. But I don't know. Would be nice to get a 4K camcorder and a computer that can handle that sort of footage. Yeah, I did see in Cash Converters they were selling a gaming computer, so maybe that should cope with these sort of things. You better fly, get more on, yeah. Bird, stung to the birds. Just standing in the middle of the fucking road. Yeah. Jeez. Oh, I was hoping to drive in that spot, but since that traffic cone's there, I can't. It's an alright pigeon. Yeah. I don't know. Definitely been stressful. Not stressful type of thing, but just been one difficult year for me. And I believe the Springbird Museum is somewhere in here. Where, I don't know, because there's a library, there's a swimming pool and such. Wonder what they would be doing here, because looks like they're funding convenience or whatever. Environmental improvement. Like, this isn't an improvement. Looks like a big old mess. Kind of looks like you drive there and drive up or something. Kind of looks like you could just drive on and some kind of secret tunnel or something back there. I don't know. It would be nice actually to own like something like that and do something there. I mean, that's it, M8 I think. Oh, M8's over there. Anyway, until next time, ladies, gentlemen, whoever else, Charlie ho.